Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree, and for today's video I will be reviewing the Colourpop Hocus Pocus collection. So that's what I got here in my super cute box. So I'm just unwrapping everything. You even get this cute little card right here that says thanks a latte, which is such a coincidence because I do love me some good lattes. And yeah, so let me get right into showing you what I got. So as you know, Colourpop released their collection I believe Thursday, October 1st, but something went wrong. I guess Spotify couldn't handle how many people were actually on the website trying to purchase items, so they had to relaunch, and they started the relaunch on Friday, October the 2nd, and that was when I was able to make my purchase. And I was fortunate enough to come across, there was a part of the website where you can get this full-on collection here that I have for $52, and it has everything that I'm about to show you. So of course the first thing that it has is this right here. I believe that this palette is $22, but I'm not sure of the prices of everything else. I know for sure that this was $22. So you open it up, it comes open like this, and inside has this beautiful gorgeous packaging in there, and in the back has the name of the eyeshadows, and of course the front says Gather Round Sisters. So this palette is called the Gather Round Sisters palette. So this is what the palette looks like from the outside. It's a cauldron, it says Hocus Pocus, Gather Round Sisters. You turn it around, and here again is some cauldrons with the names of each eyeshadows. So you open it up, and inside is this right here. You get this little flap thing. You got Mary, Winifred, and Sarah. And of course, here are the gorgeous eyeshadows. These greens right here are really calling to me the most. So I'm excited to play with this. The next thing I got here is Winifred. So this is the I Put a Spell on You lip kit. So this is the Winnie Luxe lipstick and Come We Fi lippy pencil. So you open it up, and once again that beautiful packaging on the inside makes me not want to throw this entire thing away. Makes me want to keep this forever. So this is what the lip liner looks like. So you got a cauldron, you got an eye, a skull with crossbones. Really pretty. And the top says Hocus Pocus. So it's this color, and you open it up and it looks like this, and it's this beautiful red shade. I believe all of the lipsticks are according to what they wore in the movie. So Winifred definitely had a more like brighter type of lip. So this is the packaging for the lipstick. So you open it up, there's some skull, crossbones, eyelid, and a cauldron, spider on a web, some moon, and again I think some stars. Really pretty. And this is the Winnie. This lipstick is called Winnie. So you open it up, and the inside has spiders on them, spiders imprinted onto them. Really pretty. And again, it's the same shade as the lip liner. Maybe the lip liner is a little bit darker. Really pretty. And it smells like vanilla. So the next thing I have here is the eyeliner. So this is what it looks like. This is the cream gel liner, and again you can see on the outside there's some like eyes, and this is called the Black Flame Candle, but I believe this is a, oops, I broke it. This is a green, and again there's that beautiful packaging once again inside. You can barely see it because it's so tiny, but you open it up and it has some eyes all the way across. So this is what it looks like. This is called, yes, the Black Flame Candle. So you open it up and it's the green. It broke. Oh, it broke. Looks like a little sprinkle now. Okay, well, very gently I shall swatch this for you. Does this come with a sharpener? No, it doesn't. No, it does not. Okie dokie. So I'm just going to have to smooth that out myself. But this is the eyeliner. It's really green. Still really pretty in my opinion. And last but very not least, this whole little thing came with some lashes. So this is what it looks like. Really pretty. This is the Falsies Boss Witch one pair of faux lashes. So I got the Boss Witch, and here they are. So these are all really, really gorgeous, really pretty. So I'm really glad that I was able to get my hands on just this alone, because right after I was able to purchase this, I did see that this entire collection did sell out really, really fast. So I was thanking my lucky stars that I was even able to get this entire little kit thing here for the price that it was, $52, not bad. And you got a lot of good stuff in here. So let's get right into this tutorial so we can check it out. Okay, so the first shade I want to take is this right here. It's called On Toast. It's a really nice brown, like a warmish brown type of shade, and I really want to work this in my crease. So I'm just going to go in with a Moda Pro brush. This is the crease brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and place this in my crease, and I'm just going to buff it out. So as you can see, it's really, really pigmented. I really didn't have to do much. I just dipped it into the pressed powder eyeshadow, and it did a pretty good job. So I'm actually pretty happy with this. I'm going to go ahead and just dip it in one more time and just tap off that extra powderness in it. And again, I'm just going to put this in my crease, really work it here. Wow, it's really pigmented. I'm really, really liking this so far. So now I'm going to be taking this other Moda Pro brush. This is the BMX 402 Smudger brush. It looks like this. And I'm going to go in with the shade called Bewitched. It's this greeny type of almost olive green. Well, not almost. It's olive green for sure. And I'm just going to go ahead and take some, put some here on my brush. And I'm just going to work this here on the outer corner. And now with the fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend it out. Okay, so now with my finger, I'm going to go in with the shade called Yabos. It's definitely a glitter version of this shade for sure. It's really, really pretty. It's this beautiful olive green, beautiful color. And with that same brush, I'm just going to blend out any harsh lines. Really pretty. So now I'm just going to do the other eye off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the outcome, but we're not finished. So I'm going to go ahead and take the Sonia Kashuk brush. I don't know the name of it, unfortunately. There is no name for it. And I'm going to take this shade called Full Moon, and I'm going to place it here under the brown bone. Ooh, it did this instant lift. I feel like this eye look needs a little more pizzazz, so I'm going to go in with a shade called Brew Potion. It's like this glittery type of shade, like a pressed glitter. Okay, I'm going to use this eyeliner now. This is the gel liner. I'm going to put this here in my lower lash line. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is put on some lashes, and I'm going to use my adhesive eyeliner. This is by the brand Sayari Cosmetics, and this is the clear one that I have. I have a black one that's a liquid adhesive, but this is the clear one. Okay, so this is lashes done. In the packaging, they don't look like they're gonna be very dramatic, but actually on me they look very full, very dramatic. If I blink hard enough, I can gather wind. So I'm gonna go in with the next step, which is lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and lip line and then fill in my lips with the lipstick. So this is really smooth. Okay, so this is the lips with just the lip liner. Now I'm going to go in with the actual lipstick. Okay, so this is the finished look that I've completed today. So let's get into some final thoughts. I really do like this Gather Round Sisters palette. It's really good. It's really pigmented. I was fairly shocked by it. Only because everything was really good. The color swatches came out really nice too, and I really did enjoy creating this makeup look. This lip kit is also something that I really do like a lot. I really love this lip combination. It's a really beautiful fall look or winter look. I can definitely see myself using this you know, all seasons long, not just for Halloween, but for Christmas, for spring, for summertime. I really do see myself using this lip combination, you know, all year round. These lashes are actually pretty good. When I was first looking at them, I didn't think that they were going to be very full or just very like whipsy or whimsy. What is that called? Like I didn't think they were going to be very, not, I don't want to call them dramatic, because these are definitely not dramatic lashes, but these are nice lashes. It really does help complete the look, and I think that they're actually pretty nice for what they are. The only dud to me in this collection was the eyeliner. Not only did it break on me, and it does not have a sharpener, but it just doesn't show up as well. I mean, unless you're looking really closely at my face and you're really looking really in my personal business here, you would be able to see it, but from far away, from a distance, it just adds a little something, but not much. Other than that, I really did enjoy this. If you're a big fan of Hocus Pocus, I do recommend that you go out and buy this product. And if you just like Colourpop in general, then this could be something for you. But if you're not a Colourpop fan and you're not a Hocus Pocus fan, then I don't know why you would buy this anyway. Other than that, this is the end of the video. It's the end of my review. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I am trying to make it to my goal of 100 subscribers. And if you could be so kind, please give this video a like, because it really does make my day brighter. It really does like cheer me up like this. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.